What's up, guys? I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Nisi.
Welcome to TNT Beauty.
So today, Tiffany and I will be unboxing the Summer 2020 Fab Fit Fun boxes, and we are so excited. I think this is our first time both getting the box.
Yep, this is my first time.
All right, so let's jump right in. The box it always comes with this nice little magazine. We got the beautiful Gabby Douglas on the cover.
Love that.
Yes, and inside you see like different things that could come with the product, or different things that could come with the box, and a description, and then their retail price. Now, do you want to talk to them about price?
Sure. It's been so long. Is it $49?
Yes, if you are a regular member, it's $49.99, but a lot of times, I think pretty much every time for your first box, you can use a coupon code to get $10 off of your first box. But $50 4 times a year. It's not a monthly subscription, but you got summer, winter, spring, and fall. And of course, this is the summer box. So we'll just go ahead and get started.
Let's start with this.
Sure.
So first up, we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. And this is supposed to condition, restore, revitalize, and what is that last word?
I don't know what that is. I'm going to leave that off.
You get it.
But this is something, I think Fab Fit Fun does let you customize, and this was something that we both chose. We both used Kate Somerville products, and they're very high quality, high end. And this retails for... This retails for $65 for like...
For this little thing?
Yes, it better really do something.
Wow.
So that right there covers the price of the box.
And then some.
And, you know, guys, let me just say, like, we literally have thousands of dollars in skincare and makeup. And, you know, we almost never pay full price for anything. So this is one of the many ways that we save lots and lots of money on high-end luxury items.
Yes, I would highly recommend a subscription box. If you don't want to commit to paying or doing one every single month, then Fab Fit Fun is definitely the way to go. It's 4 times a year, but you really can't beat it for the things that you get. So, yeah, there's that. This has milk proteins, jojoba, and avocado oil. Avocado oils. And, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is amazing. Most of Kate Somerville's stuff is, so I'm very excited for that.
All right, so next we've got the Isaac Mizrahi Loves Sienna, and this is a ceramic decorative base. We both got this in our box. And should we open it? Yes. It is pretty. It's a classic piece. It's got some light colors and looks to be very versatile. I think I might add some faux flowers to mine.
I won't.
And the retail price for this, retail price is $28. So every box is not the same. Now we're going to kind of go back and forth with some of the different items that we received.
So I'll start, and I got this Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Phytonutrient Facial Oil. Y'all know your girl loves her facial oil, so I'm sorry. I just saw the price of this. I'm very excited. And this is why subscription boxes are the way to go. Because
did you pick that one out?
Maybe. I probably did.
By the time I made my selections, okay, many of the things I waited until the last minute. Don't do that. Many of the things were already sold out. But I think that's one of the ones I wanted, but it was not available.
So this is an anti-wrinkle and restore facial oil. It's made with pure plant oils and rice bran extract nourishes the skin's lipid barrier, and it retails for $120.
Well,
I'm very
next,
excited.
I've got the Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. This little baby right here.
Is that like a fragrance?
It is. And what's neat about this is that it's supposed to mix with your personal chemistry to give you a signature scent. I did try this last night at bedtime, and it's like I put it on. It was, I don't even know how to explain it, but it was weird. I did feel like it kind of changed to be different, to mix with my body chemistry. So I'm gonna like explore this some more. Now, would I ever pay $50 retail price for this? No, but I will have some fun just kind of playing with it. It does smell good. Not as strong. It's not as strong as I would like, but
I'm jealous. I didn't get that.
We might have to trade something.
So the next thing I got in the box is the Winky Lux Is it some brow pencil?
I was gonna say, don't say unibrow.
Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil.
Interesting.
Pretty packaging. And I'm assuming this is just a universal shade. Oh, it's got... So you have like the angled tip. That looks a little thick for what I prefer, but... And then what's on this end? Oh, it's woolly.
Nice.
And this retails for $16.
I wasn't even thinking about what I was going to do next. I was so into what you were doing. Okay, so next I have the Zoela Face and Body Ice Roller. Now, gosh, okay. So I have been really wanting to try a jade roller lately, just to help with absorbing products. I'm not sure how I feel about putting this in the freezer because your girl is always cold. Like, I'm wanting to put on my bathrobe right now. But I am excited to use this, and it might have added benefits being really cold. I could see like maybe like after a day on the beach and you come in and do your skincare, I feel like it would be perfect for that. I will play with this. I will use it, without the coldness, I'm sure, just to help with product absorption. But I'm actually pretty excited about this. It's supposed to reduce puffy eyes and rejuvenate tired skin, and this retails for $30.
So next up, I have this guy right here, and this is the Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator.
Oh gosh, I have one of those too, but I just used it.
Well, how did you like it?
I like it. I mean, it's kind of cool because you're supposed to put the makeup on the silicone part, and then so you don't waste any product, and then blend with the rest of it.
I didn't even notice that. I thought it was just like a regular sponge.
Gosh, what did I do?
I can't get it out. Oh, this is pretty cool, you guys. Like, it's got what is it, latex? Yeah.
Oh.
No, silicone.
Yeah.
Latex. It's latex free. But, like, right there is the silicone part. And that's what you pick up product with.
Mm-hmm.
And then you blend out, and it's just like a regular sponge on the other side.
Cute.
It's cool, and it's blue. I love that. And this retails for $20.
Okay, so next I have the Yumi Kim wireless charging pad. I guess I should have taken it out of the package. Give me a minute. Oh, gosh. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, that is cute.
Okay, so that is what the charging pad looks like, and it comes with a pretty blue cord, which I appreciate this blue cord so much because having 3 children and multiple devices, when everybody's got that white or black charger, like it gets kind of confusing. So I do appreciate this. And I think you could even charge tablets on it wirelessly too.
Oh, nice.
Hold on, let me see. Let me check that out. Yeah, it says rest your phone or, oh wait, no. Oh no, I lied. Okay. Rest your phone on the pad and watch the battery recharge in a flash. And this retails for $35.
Nice. That's really cute.
Yeah.
So next up, I have the Spongel, I think is how you say it, Coconut Brabana Hand Cream. And this has hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils. And I can just test this right now. Anyways, it looks like that. Let's just... Some?
Sure. A nice clean smell.
Yes. Oh, I do like that scent. I like the way it feels too. I like this. And this retails for $18. I like it.
Okay, so my last item. Oh, it's not my last item. I lied.
Sure.
Okay, so next I have the Murad Essential C Cleanser.
Ooh.
And I was really pleased with the size of this baby. Murad, as you probably know, it's not cheap. So this is a really nice size. It is 6.75 ounces. And let's see what it says. Formulated with vitamins A, C, and E, this energizing cleanser gel helps remove pollution and other impurities without overdrying the skin. Nice. And this retails for $40.
Okay, and so the next thing I have is the Silk Satin Pillow Sleeve. Sounds nice. I mean, it's basically a pillowcase, right? It's cute. Love that. And it's a really pretty gray color, soft gray. And this retails for $29.50.
And did you know that's supposed to be good for your skin as well as your hair?
You know, I didn't know that until I just ordered a satin pillowcase like last week. And I knew it was good for your hair, but I didn't know for your skin. But on here it says this helps prevent bedhead and creases on the skin. So,
nice.
Nice.
Okay, so my final product, for real this time, is one that I chose, and I was really excited about this. This is the Business and Pleasure Co. Cooler Bag. So,
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, so that's what it looks like. I'm not like a huge fan of the color, but the functionality
I'm
excited about.
when y'all go to the beach.
Yes, so I did buy this specifically for when we go to the beach. It will, keep snacks and drinks cold, and the kids love to have their popsicles when we're at the beach. They love their popsicles here too, but I thought it would be good to just have everything in one little bag so we're not having to go back and forth and just have a mess. So I'm excited to use that. And the retail price on that is $59. Again, that covers the price of the box just by itself.
I should have opened this. And the last thing in my box is this, and this is the Mason Home Scent Collection, and this is a Pottery Barn ceramic diffuser in Solstice. So I'm very excited about this.
Mm-hmm.
And it's bergamot, vetiver, geranium, and patchouli, which right up my alley. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I think I picked this out.
I'm jealous. See, you picked out all the good stuff, so it wasn't there when I went to do my customization.
Be on it, girl. Gotta be on it.
Oh, Tiffany.
Okay, well, here's the oil, I'm assuming. And then, no.
Oh my gosh. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay. So here is the diffuser itself down here. I love the color of it. It's like an antique gold, it looks like. And then here is the oil, I'm assuming you put in. And then it comes with these little guys right here. So I'm very excited about this. And this retails for $59. So again, it's more than the value of the box. And that's my last item.
Do you want to do your add-ons?
Oh yeah. So Fab Fit Fun can let you, well, they let you do add-ons. And I don't remember the price of any of these because I did these a long time ago. But you guys know I love my face mist. So this is the Summer Mist, the Apto Skincare Summer Mist Set. The must-have duo for fresh skin this summer. And you have pomegranate and turmeric.
Nice.
So I'm very excited to have another skin mist. Just like I need another one, but you can never have too many as far as I'm concerned. And then I got this. I remember the only reason I got this is because this little thing was $129. And I didn't pay that. I didn't pay that, no. But I thought if it costs that much, it must be good. So I think I paid like $29 for it. And this is the Avant Shea Butter Hyaluronic Vitamin B3 Seawater Sweet Almond Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream.
What is vivifying?
I have no idea.
Well, you let me know how that works out.
I will. Like I would never pay. But I figured if it costs that much, it must be good. So that's why I got it. But yeah. So this is one of my add-ons.
So, final thoughts. I have been doing Fab Fit Fun for a while, and I did like this box, but honestly, it was not my favorite. It was all right. It was definitely worth the $50, and I will continue to. It was definitely worth the $50, and I will continue to get the boxes. If I had to choose one product that I'm most excited about, gosh.
That's a hard pick.
I would say the space cream, but I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to go with this pretty little charger.
And as far as my thoughts go, this is my very first Fab Fit Fun, so I really don't have anything to compare it to. But I'm happy. You definitely get your money's worth. So I'm happy. I'm really excited to try this, the Kate Somerville. I'm very excited about the space oil, and then I'm really excited about my little diffuser. So I'm happy with it.
Yeah, I guess. Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, just a little side note. We forgot to mention this, but these boxes come with a $50 gift or credit card to brightsellers.com. And this is some kind of wine company. And I feel like the boxes always come with some kind of something like this. So, I mean, that's the price of the box right there, just in a card. And this is just, it's not really a part of the box. It's just something extra they give you.
Yeah, and they do that every time.
All right, guys, that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video and would like to see more unboxings from us, please give this video a big thumbs up. You know the drill. Also, if you like our content and you want to see us as we break down all things beauty, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell as well. That way you'll be notified every time we upload. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We'll see you guys next time. And until next time, take care.